Nifty just broke down by 160 points. While most traders were stuck watching the red bars, there were two hidden setups that handed out 29 points in put options. If you miss these specific entries during the fall, you are missing the heartbeat of the market. Today was a bearish day. As you can see on the chart, Nifty maintained a clear downtrend sentiment within 160 points range. I have identified two distinct trades in put options that offered a combined 29 point profit opportunity if you followed the setup. Now, full disclosure, I actually booked a small loss in my stock trades. Why? Because I was betting on individual bullish momentum. But here's the key takeaway. Because those stocks had such strong relative strength, my losses stayed under control even while the index was bleeding out. Today, we are going to deep dive into the option charts first to find those 29 points profit, and then I will show you how to use stock momentum as a shield when the market turns against you. Let's get started. As market was bearish today, let's see the put options first. Our primary filter, which we discussed in our last video, that says 20 EMA should be above 50 EMA whenever we need to take a buy trade, right? So here 20 EMA is above 50 EMA and both are trending upwards, right? So see here what happened. Here a perfect inside candle setup was found. First candle, second candle, and 20 EMA and 50 EMAs are also trending upwards. So the trade would have got executed at high of this particular candle and low would be stop loss. So high was around 120. So you would have took a trade around 121 and low was 106.15. So your stop loss would have been 105. Correct? So if you took a trade at 121, see what happened. Yes. This candle, this one. 12:15 candle was closed below 20 EMA and see what happened. Its low is 125.8, right? So you would have been as per our trailing 20 EMA SL rule, you must have trailed your stop loss to a 1 point buffer, say 124. Okay, and that was got hit in the next candle only. So entry was at 121 and stop loss was around 124 trailed SL, right? So you would have booked 3 point profit in this particular trade. Now let's see where was the next opportunity formed. No, here it was not a perfect clear trend. So we will not look for here. Yes, see here. Market now started trending upwards here, 20 EMA and 50 EMA also, right? So here inside candle setup formed. Mother candle has the highest volume. Next is a red candle or inside bar. So we will take a trade at high of this particular candle. So what was its high? Around 132.6. So you would have took a trade around 134 and your stop loss would have been 122.8 is a low. So 121 would be stop loss. So 134 and 121. So 13 point stop loss. So our target would have been 26 points. See here, we got here a 26 point target easily, right? So as soon as we got a target that is a 2 hour profit, we must immediately close our trade, right? Don't be greedy, don't be emotional. Always remember, execution should be 100% on top priority. So always remember, follow your execution to the T. Don't look for any additional benefits. Otherwise, see what happened. Market again reversed and your profit would have been wiped out, correct? So always remember this point. Whenever your profit hit target hits, exit the trade. So these were here you would have got a 26 point profit, and in first trade there was a 3 point profit as per the trailed SL rule, correct? So 26 plus 3, it was a 29 point profit in case of put options. Now let's look at the call option chart. This is a 25,800 call option chart. What is our primary filter? 20 EMA should be above 50 EMA to take a buy trade, correct, in case of option buying. But here for the whole day 20 EMA was below 50 EMA. So was there any trade? No. Answer is clear, no. Don't look for any setup in this particular case. There is no trade. Always remember. Otherwise, if you took up forced trades, you must have lost your capital here. Perfect. Remember this point. Now that's we have decoded the Nifty breakdown and those 29 points in the put option. You are probably wondering, if the index was the bearish, why were you in bullish stock trades? This is where the market versus momentum secret comes in. Let's shift from the index and look at the stock charts. I want to show you exactly how choosing stocks with high relative strength saved my capital today. Even though the trades ended in a small loss, the way they held up against a 160 point Nifty drop is a lesson every trader needs to learn. Let's look at the stock levels. Yeah. Now, as we are looking for the as we are looking to stock trades, move to the 15-minute time frame. See here what happened. There was a strong momentum in this particular stock, right? Eicher Motors. See here, 20 MA was trending up, 50 MA was also trending up. Though Nifty was falling, but here there was a strong momentum. So based on this strong momentum, I took a trade at high of this particular candle. Low was my stop loss. My trade got executed here in this particular candle, and see what happened. I don't get 2 hour profit, but this trade I closed in a minor profit at around 3:14 p.m. as per our exit rule. Next trade was in Max Financial Services. Here also, if you see, 20 MA and 50 MAs were trending upwards. Also, this inside bar setup formed. See here, this setup was formed and I got a good trade here also. But what happened? My stop loss got hit in this particular trade, in this particular candle. So no worries, I booked a loss in this particular trade. This was the next trade, that was in State Bank of India. See here what happened. First candle, second candle, strong momentum 20-50 MA upwards. Volume was high in case of mother candle. So I took a trade at high of this candle. Low was my stop loss. See what happened. This candle closed below 20 MA. So I shifted my stop loss to low of this particular candle. This is how I saved my capital, by trailing 20 MA SL rule. So otherwise my stop loss, original stop loss would have also got it in successive candle maybe. So it is perfectly fine to book a small loss than giving a big loss. So this was a small loss trade. Then my next trade was in Muthoot Finance. See here, 20 MA, 50 MA strong bullish momentum. Inside candle setup was formed here. Mother candle has highest volume. At high I took a trade. Low was my stop loss. Trade got executed, and see, I got target in this particular trade. Okay. So here I got a 2 hour profit. Today, whether you captured those 29 points in the Nifty breakdown or practiced capital protection like I did in stocks, the lesson is the same. The market always rewards discipline over emotion. If you found value in today's analysis, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's daily breakdown. I want to hear from you. Did you manage to catch the put move today, or did the stock momentum catch you off guard? Let me know in the comments below. Until then, keep your losses small and your setups sharp. See you in the next one. Thank you.